Hello and assalamu alaikum friends. So in today's video we will learn three sentences of Urdu language, and these three sentences are actually the introductory sentences through which you can introduce yourself to other person. So the first sentence we are going to learn is आप कैसे हैं? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? So the other person can reply I am fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. So this is the first sentence, or you can say the second sentence, which contains part A and B. Now I am going towards the second sentence, and the second sentence is मेरा आप. You can say आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? So the person can reply मेरा नाम सादिक है. My name is Sadiq. मेरा नाम सादिक है. So this is the second sentence, or you can say part A and B, which I taught you. And the third sentence just contains part A. It does not have any parts B. So the third sentence is मैं उर्दू ज़बान सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning Urdu language. मैं उर्दू ज़बान सीख रहा हूँ. But there is a point for male and female. The female should say मैं उर्दू ज़बान सीख रही हूँ, but the male will say मैं उर्दू ज़बान सीख रहा हूँ. So for female she needs to say रही हूँ, and male should say रहा हूँ. So this is the lesson for today. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.